Rajesh, 48-year gentleman. He presented to us with complaint of ulcer-proliferative growth in the lower lip. And the biopsy report came out to be moderately differentiated squamous cell carcinoma. The staging was done. The clinical stage was T2N1M0 carcinoma lower lip. Patient was managed by a wide local excision with mandibular shape with left MRND type 2 with deltopectoral flap reconstruction on 28th of August this year. The histopathology report which showed the growth which was 0.1 centimeter away from the left margin, 0.1 centimeter away from the right margin, 2.4 centimeter away from the lower margin, and label 1A container labeled as label 1A which showed there was a tumor along with the skin which was 0.5 centimeter away from the skin and 0.4 centimeter, 1.8 centimeter and 1 centimeter away from the other margins. And on cut section only one lymph node identified which was positive for tumor. Then another container here one. Yes sir. So we operated.
When was it operated?
On 28th of August this
28th August.
Yes sir. Then another container labeled as level 2, 3 and 4.
R0, that means all clear?
Yes sir.
How about the node status? You can come to the point.
Sir, it was out of 11, 7 nodes were positive. Pathologically T2 N2 MX. The page
PT2
N2 MX.
N2 MX. तो अभी अमित आएगा.
Yeah.
So ये वाला part पूछ लेंगे.
Then
इनकी pathological classification, we are having a little bit of an issue with that. You must have seen because what I mean the node they actually count the numbers and do it. No, that's we rely on something else. नाम किसका है? I think अमित का है. वो last time ऐसा कॉलेज. Actually वहाँ से हम इधर करना पड़ा ना मैं because the students were doing MD here. So the director, the MS asked me don't send to ICMR, you have to send it here. Otherwise how will they do their MD? So all our specimens are now going there. Earlier they used to go to ICMR.
No, I think fair enough.
lymphovascular invasion and perineural invasion.
There was LVI.
So nowadays in AGC 8th edition, DOI has been incorporated into the DNM staging also.
And there is a recommendation for radiation depending on the depth of
DOI.
invasion. Earlier, just R0 and
That's why I wanted
lower
it, yeah.
stage, we used to say
Very
like
inadequate staging. Breast they have improved because I brought them the whole format. But head and neck they still report haphazardly. We need to know the DOI, it is mandatory.
A patient who was lost with a follow-up did not receive any adjuvant treatment. Now he presented to us with growth.
after surgery, he just
Yes,
vanished.
I'm
Yes,
telling you.
Arithmo.
Ramdev Babu for recurrence.
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter margin is too small actually.
I think that's another thing I wanted to talk to him about the report. The side which is one dimension here, one dimension here, one dimension here. We've discussed afterwards. So some of them when they're cutting the section, there's a part which is growth also. So they reported as a positive margin. That is the growth. You get my point? So it was optimally clearly the margins are all clear. We could have had a wider margin on that side, but then this was a shave from the mandible. That's the margin is talking about, the periosteum of the mandible. Patient is come. Anything more?
Now a biopsy has been done. It showed moderately differentiated squamous cell carcinoma.
You have how many? 9 nodes positive.
7 out of 11.
7 out of 9.
There's no recurrence in the neck.
No, but he didn't get treatment. He didn't get radiation.
Nothing, no RT, no
We had repeated the biopsy.
Now he is admitted for anything.
Go for surgery.
So ये आप बताइए surgery.
I can get it. I will get the margin also. I will get the mandible out. That's all I have to do.
Sir,
After that, radiation, no, because now you will not give radiation. I'm only asking, you know.
नहीं,
after
अभी तो
surgery.
इस साल रामफिट
अगर सर आप फिर से R0 अचीव कर सकते हैं तो हम कहीं ना कहीं काम करा लेते हैं इसका.
So restaging need to be done.
We
CECT.
need to
Obviously
restate.
तो
Actually,
करना ही पड़ेगा.
CCT head and neck has been done.
Without radiation तो he's not going to make
What
it.
kind of a workup you do?
सर्जरी करना है तो आपको एमआरआई करानी
CT head and neck हम कराते हैं और MRI भी करा लेंगे. But CT thorax needed or not now? Because usually they rarely go to the.
करा लो.
Any
नहीं वो तो
PET
पास
scan?
चेस्ट तो पास
हेड एंड नेक में सर नहीं बनता
I'm just for the benefit of the.
सर अनलेस डॉक्यूमेंटेड कुछ और है फोकस तो फिर
How do we document it? CT thorax?
CT में अगर कोई finding है तो वो
So we are
confusing
just
है,
going for
तो-
CT thorax. Okay, fine. Then we are not doing PET. We are going for CT thorax. And if it's metastatic, then in any case it's palliative. But if it is possible to get based on CT head and neck, if you can see we can get a clearance, then we'll go for surgery. That's an option. The surgery, because his performance status, which he didn't mention. What is the performance status? 80 by Karnofsky.
हाँ,
It's lower lip, is it?
हाँ लोअर लिप है लोअर
Surgery is all.
सोलिंग कैपेसिटी क्या है इसकी Element?
Clear हो सकता है अगर ideally he should have got radiation with 7 out of 10 nodes being positive. It was a heavy work burden. So he missed it out. Anything else? What do you mean by palliation? What do we do?
Palliative
It
chemo
will be
रहेगा।
palliation
Chemo दे
chemo.
सकते हैं।
Palliation
So
chemo.
what would that be?
Palliation chemo means ESS fit will give you 3 drugs. Docetaxel, cisplatin-5.
Okay. Any thoughts on
पेलिएटिव आर्टिक दे सकते हैं सर अगर
Palliative
कुछ
artery?
सिम्टोमेटिक है अगर कुछ मतलब पेन
Asymptomatic?
नहीं मतलब पेलिएटिव आर्टिक कैन बी एन ऑप्शन बट अगर सर्जिकली एमेनेबल है तो फिर
No, we have therefore, I'll sum it up. We'll get a CT head and neck to see if we can get an R0. If you can get an R0, go upfront surgery and you provide radiation and you provide chemo. If surgery is not possible, he goes for palliative chemotherapy and salvage surgery if required. Suppose it responds, salvage or salvage radiation if the patient has it. That's it.
अगर R0 हो जाता है तो हम तो रेडिएशन के लिए कर देंगे एग्जाम सर कहीं ना कहीं इसका
हो जाएगा?
मैम सी में करा लेंगे सर कहीं ना कहीं करा के रिकॉर्ड लगा देंगे
Done? Anything more about this case? Any points there? Friends? What is up? There's no clear.